Mbabuzaako balungi buli omu gy'asinziira kansuubire nti muli bulungi. Eneno ebeera Grosh Updates. Mu updates z'olwaliro nkuleetedde ki? Muna 256 kyaddaaki avudde mu mbeera n'abyogerako ate nga ye Baby Gloria eriyo amubanja. Bino n'ebisingawo bye nkuleetedde. Naye gwe ne mukwano tennaba kusubscribinga mukwano, ekyokola kyangu nyiga akapesa ka subscribe osubscribinga weegatte ku Grosh Updates ate gwe yasubscribinga edda Media gwe asinga mu kintu kino. Katandike ne mwana muwala Baby Gloria. Baby Gloria ono yali MC ku mpaka za Brands Fashion. Munaasonyiwa olw'eddoboozi. Yali MC ku mpaka za Brands Fashion Awards. N'abaako omuntu omu gwe yabba era King Fa abali ku TikTok abasinga mumanyi muyimbi agamba nti Baby Gloria yamubba. Ebisingawo kansooka nkuteereko video obirabe ate nkomawo nkwongerayo ku bya Muna.
How are you people? Muli mutya bane mulaba video eno gyongereyo etuuke ku muwala gwe bayita Baby Gloria. Simanyi oba okyali baby naye right now nze sikulabanga baby. Mbadde sikusuubira kuba tukuza tukulaba okulidde mu family eri godly, oli godly, ebintu ebya like oli I mean okuze ogrumingiddwa bulungi ng'omuwala ayagala Katonda, ng'omwana ayagala Katonda, nga sikusuubiramu kubanga oli mubbi. Simanyi oba babubbi oba wanyakula bunyakuzi oba watwala butwazi. Bannange alaba ku muwala yenna gwe bayita Baby Gloria mumugambe akomewo omutima gwange. Bannaye ndalabye akaana ku Asfaz ewa Ebranzi. Bannaye nga wanyumye baby girl. Nze omutima sikyalina wagututte mukwano bambikomyawo simanyi.
Ye mwana muwala Muna 256 navayo mabigawo nenkuteerawo ka video nga bbaawe Nash ali musiba nviiri. Balina no papo pate eno yaliwo olunaku lwa Saturday yabo abasiyazi balina pate yaabwe nga woolabaawo mu video we bali bonna nga bambadde papo. Muna avuddeyo bambi n'abaako byayogera ebimuyisa obubi social media in-laws mumutami mumususseeko. Avuddeko n'abaako byayogera kambi kuteekeko obyewulirireko ate na biki ebyali mu pati yaabwe nga baselebrate ngomanyi kati tebakyatya nabyo kambi kuteereko byonna obirabe. Mbagala nnyo kankomewo.
Hi guys, we are your girls Muna and Nash. We are back. Actually last time we posted our video when we were painting our hair, when we were making our hair, and what surprised us, it went to thousands and thousands of followers of people, so meaning you guys really liked it so much. Nice.
What did you say? Hold on.
I don't know. You should say
yeah,
something.
I'm always confused though. So let's do it again. Oh.
She's always confused. She doesn't know what to say.
I
We are talking about the previous video that we took.
Oh yeah, she can't take off the jacket right now because it's too cold.
Oh yeah? So you wanted to see the results of the hair, since we told you that we were going to a purple day. You can see our outfit. Yeah, ciao ciao.
Purple shoes.
Purplish. Everything purple. Like, we're so cute. What we're trying to say is that I'm not going to show you my hair. We won't show you the results because it's too cold outside here.
Exactly.
Yeah, I can't dare put this off. Like seriously, it is so cold. Bye. Thanks for the mentions.
Thank you for watching.
Love
you.
Yeah, we love you. You people, you've been abusing me on this app for a long time. You have not just started now. The only moment that I remember people, you were good to me, that's when I was still in Saudi Arabia. But ever since I left Saudi Arabia and I went to Dubai, oh my goodness, you've been so abusive on my videos. Everything, you only target negativity. You're so small, you're so thin, you don't talk well, whoa, your accent, stuff. Like you've been on me for a long time. You're so bullying, abusive, so amused. There is nothing you're going to say that's gonna break me. You know why? Because I love doing TikToks. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. But I love doing TikTok, so you won't stop me. You cannot stop me. And you know what surprises me is that I created a second account where I post things I love. Like I post myself. I post my life. Okay? And I didn't call anybody here to follow me, to like or to share. Nobody I called. Nobody. You're following me willingly, you're commenting willingly. That's why even I don't turn off the comment section. Do you think I don't know where the comment section turn off is? No, I leave you people to comment whatever you want, because I don't give a damn shit about it. I don't care. It's my life. You won't stop me from being happy. There is nothing you're going to say that's going to break me, because you said them all long time ago. It's not the first time that people are abusing me. And you know what surprises me? I have 2 accounts. On the other old accounts, I always post things that I think you guys like. But nowadays, I'm seriously getting shocked, because the videos are no longer like trending like the way they used to be, compared to the videos that I post on this account. Now I'm getting surprised. Is that what do you want? Because here I post my happiness, and you share them, you like them. The views are, oh my goodness, thousands of people are watching. But on the other account where I post things that I think you want to see, you're not interested. Now you're so unpredictable. Let me tell you something. You have to be happy, my dear friend who is watching this. You who loves me, you have to be happy, because people are so unpredictable. They don't know what they want. On this account, it's growing so fast, yet I follow nobody. Where do you come from? When I'm calling nobody. I don't give a damn shit about it. And for you who said that I false accent, that's me. All right, if you don't like it, just pass, scroll. And if you think that I'm forcing it, you can force it too. It is free of charge. Actually, you've been saying this long time ago, even before I came to England. Now, ever since that I came to England, oh my God, it's worse. Now you think that I'm doing that because I'm in England? That's how I speak. I might not be good at speaking English, fine, but that's my accent. I cannot force accent. Otherwise, maybe you want me to say that, oh, you girl who is watching me, why are you talking like that? Well, that's what they call forcing, because I can't speak like that for a long time. This is how I speak, like it or not. Many of you say that it's like you having 100 teeth in your mouth.